What's up guys, today we're going to be installing the Valenti smoked out taillights on Hater's car.
We got the sequential ones, so when we turn on these turn signals, these are going to look absolutely dope.
Let's get into it.
Let's get right into this. We don't know what we're doing actually, but I think we just pry these clips off. Alright Bailey, alright. Look at that lighting though guys, my hands are getting toasty from this thing. Alright, I think there's one more clip in there, and I think there's a screw. I'm not sure if we're supposed to take that thing off or not. Let's see if Bailey snaps that clip right there.
Can't get it. It's not coming.
Let's try prying it off, yeah. Just gotta wiggle it out. It's nice. Alright, see if it just comes off. Oh, do we take out the screw?
There's
some lining back here. I think that's all we need. Does that come off pretty well? Yeah. Alright, so we got all these bolts right here and a bunch of wires, which we don't really know what to do with. I think we just pull them out and then unscrew these little things. Like move it back to focus. Yeah. These things.
Oh, there you go.
Ooh, he got it? Hey! Nice.
Is that the only one?
Let me see. Can we move for a second? Oh, is this one out? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Now we just gotta get rid of this shit on here so we can actually unscrew it.
Here, I'll get the other two bolts from there.
Alright. Alright boys, let's pop this right out hopefully. Ooh. Perfect! That came out really clean. Look at all this
Ew.
Oh, that is a lot of nastiness. Look at that guys. Holy. Looks like someone took a nice big shit in there. Nice shower. Alright, we're just gonna clean out all this shit right here. We'll be right back. Alright. We throw in the new ones. If you want to do the honors, Bailey?
Yeah.
Slather it.
Wire.
Oh, I was about to say, was that the left one? Or was that the right one?
Are you supposed to take out these?
Oh. Yeah. These are for screws. Alright.
Attempt number 1.
Alright, boys. That is attempt number 1. If you guys don't know what we just did, here, show me the taillight. So, let me zoom out really fast. Camera skills on point. These things, I thought they were like suction cups, but it's literally just like a protector, I think, for the screw. So we just gotta rip them off. Alright. Try number 2. Let's do it.
Is it going in the holes with screws?
Yeah, it's good. Alright, just screwed in all the stuff. Now we just gotta throw this little plug in and test them out if they even work. Alright, so I'll plug this in. There's like a little switch on there. I'll show you guys as soon as he plugs it in that you can choose if it's on sequential mode or if it's just on regular blinkers for your turn signal. So hopefully everything does work out.
Oh god, I can't get it.
And they work on our first try. Ooh. Alright, let's test them out, guys.
Oh! It's working.
Let's take a look. Ooh, these sequentials are on. Alright, let's take a look really fast. We switch it. Here, come here, bring the camera here for a second. Oh, Bluetooth. Bluetooth just automatically plays music on my phone. It's so
really?
dope, yeah.
Alright, so here's the little switch for the sequential. We're gonna turn it off and see what it looks like.
Yeah, so this is normal mode right now. This is just like a normal bland blinker. This is what you don't want. Still looks alright, but then look at this. Keep it right there. We got the nice. Ooh!
Way better.
Alright, just with a flick of a switch like that. Alright, we're gonna pull this stuff back in and then we're gonna do the second one.
Alright, so both lights are now done. This is with the hazards on.
Look at that sequentials. Ooh.
Oh shit.
That's sick. Let me turn on the brake lights real quick.
That's the brake light.
Alright, we're gonna end this video off, guys. put this thing on. We got a nice FT86. Whatever this thing is called.
Air freshener thing.
Yeah, that smells good. Alright guys, peace out.